Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware. Your camera must output ProRes RAW, and your recorder or internal slot must handle sustained writes. Do that now. Once done, format the driving camera so file systems match. Next, set exposure and white balance manually. RAW preserves more latitude, but correct base settings reduce work later. Then choose resolution and frame rate based on deliverables. Higher frame rates need more bandwidth. Finally, enable ProRes RAW recording and arm the recorder so you can press record immediately. Once recording, you focus on control. Watch histogram and false color so highlights stay beneath sensor clip. ProRes RAW buys you headroom, but it is not infinite. Make sure to use a monitoring LUT for exposure reference, not for recording. Record flat RAW to preserve dynamic range and grading flexibility. Also, log metadata like lens, ISO, shutter angle, and scene notes into your slate or recorder. This saves time in post. If you change settings mid-shot, mark takes so reconciling adjustments later is faster. To finish, ingest files into an NLE or convert with a ProRes RAW compatible tool. You need the RAW decode controls to adjust exposure, color temperature, and highlight recovery properly. Once imported, tweak decode exposure and noise reduction at the RAW stage, then apply creative LUTs. This workflow preserves maximum detail. If you encounter playback stalls or audio drift, transcode to a high-quality proxy for editing, then relink to original ProRes RAW files. For stubborn drive errors,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.